Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the BM Black Mirror Design Dial here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little guy over here. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Look at this, nice and pretty cool case. Kind of like looks like a Pelly case, but it's not. It just feels a little bit cheaper, but it's still a pretty nice presentation. Inside you're gonna find, of course, your dial and this tool to disassemble. We're gonna check it in a second. So this is a nice toy. It's made of brass, so it has quite some heft to it, and it's a clicker and spinner, and it's like there's like 50. It's a limited edition of 50 numbered. Of all like made, and it's you can also find this guy in a blue anodized titanium, and I'm aware of only these two finishes. So basically what this does is just clicks like loudly. So the look is very, very interesting. It's nice. I like circular objects. This is gonna be the sound. Can be obnoxious, disturbing, loud, annoying. Yes, but it's also feeling really good. It has a very strong set of magnets on the inside. We're just gonna check that in a second, and it's just pleasant. So the diameter of this guy is gonna be 1.8 inches, so it's not that big, but it's bigger. For example, this is the mid-size umber. This is the Mackie coin. For perspective, this is the full-size coin from Umbury. And let me show you another couple options maybe you're familiar with. This is the also Mackie CP, like the capsule. This is a nice slider over here. And what else can I show you? Oh yeah, EDC Lung bulletproof shield, one of my favorite fidget toys over here. You have Lautier, that's the shuffle in a double K configuration. This is the Nighthawk, that's, I don't know, this is the Corona Zirk haptic coin, and another couple here. This is the Lautier Sam fidget spinner, also another Lautier, that's the dice. You have also another Lautier, this is the chess pawn, and yeah, that's it basically. So these are some of the fidget toys I want to show you. Oh, also like this guy, Gravit Zappa Compo Form, and also another one because it's just so gorgeous. Come on, like, guys, look at this Timascus coin, also from Unburied. So here we have something that is very cool and heavy, guys. This is heft. There's some heft to it. It's like not only loud, but it's also heavy. Look at that, 3.59 ounces. So you're gonna feel this guy in the pocket. It has some nice grooves on the side, some jimping and knurling all around. So it's just, you get some grip when you hold it in your hand. And of course, you just are going to be able to spin it like that and to produce this pretty nice and loud clicky sound. Of course, this is like reminding like the rotary dial phones, maybe like telephones. If you're probably like, I don't know, a little bit younger than me, yeah, you have no clue of what this represents. But if you are around for like quite some time as I am, you may recognize this kind of design. Also, this one, of course, like 28 made, sorry, 50 made. This is the number 28, of course. And this guy can be also fully disassembled. And so, like, you remove this centerpiece right here. You take the tool that is provided in the box. You just put it like so. You just hold it there, and this guy actually. You have to take this guy first apart, and then this one, you should just come out like so. All right, and then you have like this plate which comes off as well, and then here you have these two magnets sets, like really attracting each other. So you're gonna need some plastic tool, not to ruin everything, just to go kind of like underneath that, something like so, to pry that out. And that's gonna reveal the roller bearings and another set of magnets on the inside. So that's the composition, how this guy is made. So a lot of parts going on. So an option you can do is just like put the rollers back, just ditch this part over here, put this guy back down here, like you see there's like it's keyed in, so you can't really mess it up, so it's gonna be staying there. Also here, by the way, this tool is if you want to replace the bearing that is inside over here, but we're not going to do that for now because it's fine. Then this guy can just go back in like so, freely spinning. Then you just close it like this. So that's not going to go anywhere, and you just screw in also the button. So you're going to have this like very nice sound, guys. Like you can hold it like that, very pleasant. It's not obnoxious, it's absolutely like that. You can use your hand even like to create some sort of like resonance and amplify the sound. See, like that, and or like that. So in the hand is gonna feel beautiful like this. Actually, this is my preferred way of just playing with this, because I can just rotate that. It's not gonna bother anyone. It spins like a lot, and even like because of the this asymmetric design, of course there's one hole missing here, so when you spin this guy you can see like wobbling because the it's not balanced. Of course there's a hole missing, so there's much more weight here, which is gonna create some sort of an imbalance while this guy spins. So I mean, it's a very, very cool one. It's not a cheap one because I think this guy is gonna run you around $220, so not a cheap one. Very limited run. It looks good, it feels great in the hand, there's quite some heft to it, it sounds amazing, like really, really loud. So, and like that also there's a nice whirring sound that you can actually prefer. Like I prefer like this sound and this way of fidgeting with this guy. So that's gonna be up to you. You have a couple of choices. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.